Now let's go to interviewing. The topic is blurred vision and floaters. There are three Chinese terms that may be translated as blurred vision. The first is mu xuan, mu meaning eye, in which the term xuan suggests also dizziness. The second is mu hun, in which the term hun suggests faint feeling. And the third is mu hua, in which the term hua means flower. And the two terms together indicate that the patient sees objects that look like flowers or butterfly wings, that is, floaters. This third term thus could be translated more specifically as seeing floaters. The Chinese term for blurred vision therefore also implies the symptoms of dizziness, and there is a certain overlap between these two terms and symptoms. In fact, the term for dizziness is xuan yun, xuan being the same character as in mu xuan, meaning blurred vision. For liver blood deficiency, where there's blurred vision and floaters, there will also be dizziness, numbness, or tingling of the limbs, scanty menstruation, dull pale complexion, and pale tongue, choppy or fine pulse. The acupuncture points for this is liver 8, stomach 36, spleen 6, Ren 4, and Li 4. When there's liver yin deficiency, the blurred vision and or floaters will be accompanied with dry eyes, diminished night vision, dizziness, dry hair, numbness or tingling of the limbs, insomnia, scanty menstruation or amenorrhea, dull pale complexion without luster but with red cheekbones, cramps, withered and brittle nails, night sweating, normal colored tongue without coating, and the pulse will be fine or floating empty. The acupuncture points are liver 8, stomach 36, spleen 6, Ren 4, kidney 6, and Li 4. When blurred vision and or floaters is caused by kidney indeficiency, there will also be dry eyes, dizziness, tinnitus, hardness of hearing, poor memory, night sweating, vertigo, dry mouth and throat at night, lower backache, constipation, dark scanty urine, tiredness, and the tongue color will be normal but without coating, and the pulse will be floating empty. The acupuncture points is kidney 3, Ren 4, bladder 23, spleen 6, Ren 12. For turbid phlegm in the head, the blurred vision and or floaters will also have dull headache with a feeling of heaviness and muzziness of the head, poor memory and concentration, dizziness, sputum in the throat, a feeling of oppression of the chest, nausea, and the tongue will be swollen with sticky coating, and the pulse will be slippery. The acupuncture points for this is stomach 40, Ren 12, Ren 9, Ren 5, bladder 22, and Li 4. For blurred vision and or floaters often occurring during a headache attack is liver yang rising. There will be headache, dizziness, tinnitus, irritability, propensity to outbursts of angers, and the pulse is wiry. For heart blood deficiency, there will be palpitations, dizziness, insomnia, dream disturbed sleep, poor memory, anxiety, propensity to be startled, dull, pale complexion, pale lips, the tongue will be pale and thin, and the pulse choppy or fine. When there is liver fire, there will be blurred vision, bloodshot eyes, painful eyes, headache, red face, dizziness, tinnitus, irritability, propensity to outbursts of anger, thirst, bitter taste, constipation, dark urine, red tongue with redder sides, and dry yellow coating, and the pulse is wiry and rapid. When there's heat in the gallbladder, there will be blurred vision, dizziness, tinnitus, bitter taste, dry throat, irritability, red face and ears, hypochondrial fullness, unilateral or bilateral yellow tongue coating, and a wiry rapid pulse. For deficiency of minister fire, also kidney yang deficiency, the blurred vision and or floaters will be accompanied with watery eyes, lower back ache, cold knees, sensation of cold in the lower back, feeling cold, weak legs, bright white complexion, weak knees, tiredness, lassitude, abundant clear urination, scanty clear urination, urination at night, infertility in women, impotence, premature ejaculation, decreased libido, and the tongue will be pale and wet and the pulse deep and weak. For spleen Qi deficiency, the blurred vision or floaters will be accompanied with tired eyes, poor appetite, slight abdominal distension after eating, tiredness, lassitude, pale complexion, weakness of the limbs, loose stools, slight depression, tendency to obesity, and the tongue will be pale and the pulse empty. Thank you so much for your attention.